the only alternative we have. So I left the border here. Look, where there were fewer roots so I could fertilize. Okay, so I wouldn't burn any roots because of the urea, which is a fertilizer. Now I'll show you in detail. Look how cute. So your lemon tree will give you its full potential, right? It will produce a lot. It will produce a lot of fruit for you, because you'll provide everything your little tree needs to produce a large quantity of fruit and will greatly encourage flowering. Share this tip here with everyone you know. Leave me a like, because you're helping us continue this work here. Look how beautiful, everyone. Here for you, look. There's not a single twig here without flowers, right? So, your lemon will produce Tahiti limes for you all year long if you follow this tip. Here's a very simple tip for you to follow, to get your lemon tree to start bearing fruit and produce plenty of fruit for you with a very simple fertilizer. Leave me a like so you can contribute significantly to the work here at home. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe and share this video with everyone you know, because I'm sure you'll be able to help a lot. Cheer up. Start growing a lemon tree too. It needs at least 6 hours of sunlight a day, and you can even grow it in a plastic bottle. I made this little tree here using the cutting process I've already taught here on the channel. So, a big hug to you all, everyone. God bless you and see you later. Bye. Bye.
Pwede natin itry. Pwede natin itry.
How do you keep your teeth healthy?
Where's everything at?
Lemons are a very popular fruit in Brazil, and did you know that by pruning them you can harvest lemons almost all year round? Do you want to learn how to prune lemons? Then come with me. In addition to being very healthy, lemon trees also serve as a decorative element in landscaping and gardening. It is a fruit tree that when loaded with fruits is very beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful to see. And when it blooms, have you ever smelled the scent of the flowers of a lemon tree? Not just lemons, right? Oranges, tangerines, citrus fruits in general.
Need ko
They
siyang
are very
hatiin para
fragrant and
makita
pleasant
kung
plants to smell,
may buto.
right? And by
So,
pruning, lemon
ipasok ko yung
trees can
daliri
produce
ko
fruit almost all year
para
round,
makat
because
siya.
when we prune them, the new shoots produce new shoots. And it is on these new shoots that flowers and future fruits will appear.
Nahanap ko kasi yung ano.
Here next
Kung
door,
may buto.
look, I have a lemon tree that
Bakit
belongs to the
ganun
collection
walang
of the
buto?
gardening school and recording studio, okay? So, looking at this is life as it is. This lemon tree is ours, okay? They are lemon trees until we use them in old videos about lemons here on the channel, okay? Yeah, look at this one. How cool. Plants are used to produce various content, right? And if you don't follow the channel yet, click on follow and watch all the videos we post every week, okay? Click on follow and join the Espanhol Plantas channel. And take advantage and give the video a thumbs up, look. Because, look, guys, it's not easy to produce these videos that we make with so much love for all of you. Look, here I have a lemon tree that was pruned. You can see that its canopy is clean and it's full of lemons.
So, hinahanap ko dito yung
Wow,
buto.
I got all tangled up here. Look, it's full of lemons, right?
Hahanapan ko ng buto to.
Look, you can see several lemons all along the branches. This one here
Hahanapan ko
is
ng
a
buto.
second lemon, okay?
Buto.
It's producing.
Walang
It's
buto
beautiful.
tong naan natin
And here I
orange.
have a sapling. Look,
Nahanapan
of
ko.
a
Ang tamis
Tahiti
eh.
lemon, okay?
Ganyan yung
This
laman niya.
Tahiti lemon here, if you
Tamis,
look,
parang
has a lot of branches, okay?
red,
But
ayan o.
not many lemons. And what are we going to do?
Diba?
Look, you're going to observe
So,
the lemon
matamis
tree
siya.
and you're going to remove them whenever you
Wala
prune the
siyang buto
lemon.
lang. Ano, seedless.
It's finished flowering and fruiting, okay? When it's at the end of its season,
Mga
it's
kapalagga,
finished
gusto ko yung
pruning. You take
may
a sharp
buto
pair
sana.
of pruning shears shears,
Na
if
ano,
possible.
kasi para
Take your
maitanim
pruning
natin.
shears and apply alcohol.
So, ba't wala eh?
You
Wala
know that
talaga akong
alcohol you
mahanap.
use to clean your house?
Wala oh.
That you apply to the blades of the shears to sterilize them, so you don't
Nak!
run the risk of spreading some disease to the plant you're pruning.
So, wala talaga
It's
akong
very
mahanap ng
important, you
buto.
know, to sterilize tools.
So, talagang ano siya,
And here,
seedless.
look, visually, I'm
So,
going to
meron pa
start
akong
doing
bubuksan
some
baka
pruning
sakaling may mga
first, okay? I'm going to remove these lower branches from the lemon tree, the branch, okay? Let's see here, look, if Fabricio can zoom in here really close, look. The branch is removed, look, very close to the plant, look. Very close to its main stem. Do you see, look? As close as possible, okay?
Try ko pa ito
Okay?
isa. Try ko
After
pa ito isang
pruning, we're
buksan.
going to apply a healing
Ba
agent to
sakaling
all
may
these
makuha
cuts,
tayong buto.
okay?
So, ito
Look,
yung
I'm going to do a cleaning pruning.
kakainin ko ito.
Not the base of the lemon tree. You shouldn't leave shoots on it, okay? Because if you allow shoots here at the
Wala
base,
akong
the
mahanap ng
rootstock or
buto.
the thickest part
So,
here,
lagyan mo
look.
natin sa isang plato para ano, para mamaya, pwede na siya kainin kasi sobrang lamig eh.
Give me a socket.
So,
$200. All the tools in this truck?
magbubukas ako ng isa pa.
You don't know this. Temo is having a limited time event now. 151-piece tool set free.
Free? Is that true?
Of course! This set is made from vanadium chromium steel. We've got all sizes, sockets, screwdriver bits.
Look. The rootstock, if it sprouts, okay, and you have a lot of branches in the lower part of the plant, you won't see the rootstock sprouting. And then the rootstock sprouting, it takes all the strength out of the lemon tree, because they are grafted lemon trees, okay? So, the base always...
And today I want to show you the best fertilization tip I can find, which I'll teach you here using this fertilizer. For those of you who have lemon trees at home that aren't growing, producing, developing,
One, two, three, four.
So, ayan. Open natin ulit to. Baka may mahanap tayo. No? So, ayan, so naghahanap nga tayo ng buto ng orange, no? So, but itong aking mga orange nandito ay walang buto. So, wala akong mahanap ng buto. So, hinahanapan ko ng buto kasi, ayun nga, ang gagawin ko, mga kapalangga, naghanap ako ng buto ng orange na to. So, kung ano yung orange na dito. So, ngayon, wala akong mahanap, no? So, ayan, katin natin ulit sa gitna. Ayan. So, again. So, ganyan siya, oh. Wow, makatas. Then, wala tayong mahanap na buto. So, ayan, oh. Diba? So, ganyan ang laman niya, oh. Wow, sarap ng orange nila. So, dito, sa Australia ay puro ang orange nila dito ay Puro ano, no? Seed, puro seedless, no? Walang buto. Maghanap ako ng buto. Ba't wala akong makita? Ayan. Wala talaga akong makita ng buto. Ayan. Ito na yung dalawa na nabalatan natin kasi ang dami, di ba? So, dalawa yan. Dalawa na malaki. Pareho sila. So, pareho silang walang buto, no? Ayan, bye-bye. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you next video, everyone. Bye.